Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called ordering cost. Ordering cost are the expenses incurred to create and process an order to the supplier. These costs are included in the determination of economic order quantity or EOQ for an inventory item. Examples of ordering cost may be like this. One, cost to prepare a purchase requisition, cost to prepare a purchase order, cost of the labor required to inspect the goods once they are received inside the organization, cost to put away the goods once they have been received, cost to process the supplier invoice related to an order, cost to prepare and issue payment to the supplier. These are the some of the example, and this ordering cost change with the volume. There will be an ordering cost of some size, no matter how small an order may be. The total amount of ordering cost that a business incurs will increase with the number of orders placed. This aggregate order cost can be mitigated by placing large blanket order that cover long periods of time and then issuing order releases against the blanket order, which is usually practiced in large organization. How ordering costs relate to inventory carrying cost is one more question. An entity may be willing to tolerate a high aggregate ordering cost if the result is the reduction in its total inventory carrying cost. This relationship occurs when a business orders raw material and merchandise only as needed, so that more orders are placed but there is a little inventory kept in hand. A organization must monitor its ordering cost and inventory carrying cost in order to properly balance order sizes and thereby minimize the overall cost. Thanks for watching. Bye.